Okay, so you wanna know how to bass boost. Okay, so in my other videos I was showing you how to bass boost. Well, some of you don't have the enhancement to bass boost. Well, how do you fix that? For my HyperX nerds out there, I'm sorry to say, but you can't bass boost with your headphones regularly. How do you bass boost then with your HyperX headphones? Well, you need to update your drivers. First, you need to unplug your adapter from your cable. Then you need to plug it in your computer. For most of the time, it's gonna say Realtek audio or something like that. But what do you do next? You need to update your drivers, of course, and that driver is Realtek audio. Well, you need to go to Device Manager, then you need to go to the sound, video and playback. You update and then you click on choose. Let me choose, and then you see multiple options here. So you click on high definition audio device. Then when you update them, I already updated to it, so I can't do it again. But when you update to it, you need to reboot your computer for it to work. Then come back to this video. After you have updated your drivers, you click on sound properties, go to Realtek headphones, go to advanced settings. Then you're not going to see this settings because obviously you don't have mine, but you see bass boost and loudness equalization. You click on bass boost and then settings. Now you can choose whatever you want. Then you click on apply and okay, and now you're done. So please leave a like or subscribe if you think this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial or video.